everyone, in this video I will show you how to create Notion database. So first open your database page, then you will see a panel at the right side of your screen. Now click on more templates. Here you will see there are lots of template options available. If you go and click on more templates, you will see lots of options. If you want to create your own database with your own ideas, go and click on the empty database, and you can also take help of AI. You can build your template with AI. So here I'm selecting my template, then click on continue. Then once you are in your template page, you can adjust the layout and fill in any detail values you want applied every time the template is used. You can drag the column and reorder it. So if you close the page, it will be saved automatically inside the database, as you can see here. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.